Which steam cleaner is actually good? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, WSR-YYCC Portable Steam Cleaner. First up is the WSR-YYCC Portable Steam Cleaner. Priced at $69.99, this handheld device caught my attention due to its impressive capability to heat up in just 15 seconds. If you want fast and efficient cleaning, this is worth a serious look. With a 1.25-liter capacity, you can clean multiple areas without constantly refilling. Plus, it comes with 16 accessories, letting you tackle everything from grout to car detailing. It's been purchased over 10,000 times in the last month and holds a solid 4.2-star rating from nearly 1,000 reviews. Now, some people complained about its weight. Here's the thing though, while it is a bit heavier than some other handheld models, the cleaning power and versatility make it a great option for those serious about deep cleaning. This is perfect for you if you value a quick heat-up time and versatility. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra-lightweight, but for the price, it's hard to beat. Now, if WSR-YYCC's weight concerns you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, LABIGO 10-in-1 Steam Mop. Next up is the LABIGO 10-in-1 Steam Mop, which costs $66.47 and is another bestseller. The first thing that stood out to me is the 10-second heat-up. If you're always in a rush, this one should catch your interest. It includes a handy 350 ml water tank that gives you about 12-15 minutes of continuous cleaning, so you can refresh your home without constant refills. Plus, its 2-level steam control adapts to different surfaces, ensuring that you don't damage delicate items. With 4,100 reviews and a 4.2-star rating, it's clear this mop has a lot of satisfied users. However, some users mentioned that the carpet glider could be tricky to use. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, the ease of cleaning multiple surfaces makes it worth any minor adjustments you might need to make. This is ideal for busy households needing a quick and versatile cleaner. Skip this if you need something that lasts longer than 15 minutes at a time, but for quick cleanups, it's a solid choice. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for flexibility and cleaning power. Product number 3, Dupre Neat Steam Cleaner. Then we have the Dupre Neat Steam Cleaner priced at $179. This model caught my eye because of its powerful performance and nearly 24,000 reviews with a 4.4-star rating. Impressive. Generating steam up to 275 degrees F, 135 degrees C, it goes beyond just cleaning. It sanitizes and deodorizes without harsh chemicals. Plus, with a run time of 50 minutes per fill, you won't be interrupted frequently. This kind of extended cleaning makes it great for larger homes or more extensive cleaning tasks. However, some users found it a bit bulky for everyday handling. But I'd argue that the cleaning power and versatility more than make up for this, especially if you have a lot of ground to cover. This steam cleaner is perfect for anyone wanting a deep clean without the use of chemicals. Skip this one if you have limited storage space, but if you have room, it's a serious investment for your home's cleanliness. Now, if the size of the Dupre bothered you, the next product might just be the compact powerhouse you're looking for. Product number 4, LABIGO Dark Gray 10-in-1 Steam Mop. Next up is another LABIGO model, this time in dark gray, priced at $79.99. I was intrigued by the fact that it shares similar features with the previous LABIGO but comes in a different color. It also heats up in just 10 seconds and offers 248 degrees F steam for effective cleaning. What I really liked is its safety features, including an auto shutoff if the water runs dry. It has 4,100 reviews, same as its counterpart, and retains that 4.2-star rating. One downside mentioned by users is that it can be a little noisy. But honestly, while that could be annoying, the cleaning efficiency and safety features are definitely worth it if you ask me. This one is perfect for those who want a reliable steam cleaner that's easy to use and safe for families. Skip this if you need something completely silent, but otherwise it's a great option for everyday cleaning. Now, If you're still looking for something that combines power with a bit of extra versatility, the final product on my list may just be the answer. Product number 5, Scrub Whiz Steam Mop. Finally, we have the Scrub Whiz Steam Mop priced at $66.47. I love that it also has a detachable handheld feature, making it incredibly versatile for various cleaning tasks. This steam mop heats up in 10 seconds and reaches 248 degrees F just like the others. It boasts a 350 ml water tank, allowing for effective cleaning on all surfaces, from floors to ceilings. It also includes a variety of attachments, which makes it easy to switch from mopping to detailing without missing a beat. With 2,400 reviews and a 4.1-star rating, it's clear many users appreciate the combo of functionality and price. One negative point to consider is that it might require a bit of practice to switch between the handheld and mop modes smoothly. But here's the thing, once you master it, the versatility pays off in cleaning efficiency. This steam mop is perfect for those who want an all-in-one cleaning solution for their home. Skip it if you prefer a simpler setup without detachable parts, but otherwise, it's an excellent choice for comprehensive cleaning. So to recap, the WSRYYCC is great for quick heat-up and power. LABIGO offers versatile cleaning with both models impressing for busy lifestyles. The Dupre is your go-to for serious sanitization, and the Scrub Whiz brings versatility at a bargain. Each has its strengths, so pick the one that fits your cleaning needs best.